Evaluate the radical expression for the given value of the variable. In exercise A, we have the square root of 2x plus 1. For x equals 40, we would have the square root of 2 by 40 plus 1. Now we follow the order of operations, working the inside of the radical and still following the order of operations. We would have the square root of 80 plus 1, which is the square root of 81. And since 81 is 9 squared, the square root of 81 is 9. In exercise B, we have the square root of 5n minus 2 for n equals 0, making the appropriate substitution. Following the order of operations, we would have the square root of 0 minus 2, which is the square root of negative 2. And since we are dealing with just the real number system, we would have to say that now this is not real. The square root of negative 2 is not real. In exercise C, we have the square root of x squared minus 4 for x equals negative 3. Making the appropriate substitution. Now, negative 3 squared is 9, because that means negative 3 times negative 3. So we have the square root of 9 minus 4, and that is the square root of 5. Now, we were not told to take this to any decimal place, so we stop here at the square root of 5. Exercise D, again, square root of x squared minus 4, but now for x equals 1/3, we would have the square root of 1/3 squared minus 4, which is the square root of 1/9 minus 4. Now, 1/9 minus 4, well, let's get a common denominator, and recalling that 4 is equal to 4 over 1, and building up that fraction with a factor of 9 gives us 36 over 9. We would then have the square root of 1/9 minus 36/9, which is the square root of negative 35/9. And so we'll have to say that this is not real.